Multiplot output. Multiplot is a page layout tool. It is based on specific paper size and orientation, example 11 by 17 landscape. A multiplot page consists of subviews such as plan, profile, section, legends, curve tables, and text triangles. Multiplot supports multiple page output. Multiplot output can be printed or exported to CAD via DWG. Let's start by opening an existing design. Create a new multiplot window. In the printer setup menu, we set the page size and orientation. Add the new plan subview and place it on the page. Now add a profile subview. The handles on the side allows us to size the subviews. Clicking and dragging with the mouse inside the rectangle allows us to position them. To help align the subviews, we turn on snapping and display a grid. With snapping set, moving or sizing aligns the subview on a grid node. Each subview has options which can be accessed through right-click menu. Clicking on the Options button brings the main plan window options. We change the scale to 1200. Similarly, for the Profile subview, we change the scale and remove the mass hall diagram. Next, we add an automatic scale bar. The scale bar is for the plan window. We also set a title. Position the scale bar inside the planned subview using the mouse. Next, we add a text rectangle subview and enter some text. Set the font. Position and resize the text rectangle. Add another text rectangle with automatic text for the date. Another text rectangle for the page number. Size and position the text rectangles inside the other text rectangle. The Location Multiplot window automatically produces as many pages as required to show the entire design. The page number is displayed in the title bar. In general, the contents of each subview, plan, profile, data, and section will depend on the page number being displayed. To divide all subviews into pages, a start station, length of road, and percent of overlap is used. These parameters are set in the Multiplot Pagination Options dialog. Suppose the start station is set to 250 and length of road is set to 500 with 0% overlap. The contents of the subview be determined as follows. Page 1 stations 250 to 750, page 2 stations 750 to 1250, page 3 stations 1250 to 1750. Open an existing design. Retrieve a predefined multiplot layout. Using the plan or profile width, we'll choose the smallest length of the two windows. We will change this to fixed length. With a fixed length of 800, the number of pages is now 3. Multiplot can also display sections. The automatic pagination puts the page start station on the left side of the plan subview and the end station on the right. This approach doesn't always work. It is possible to set the plan window rotation and position manually. Turning off auto allows us to set the plan window center coordinate and rotation angles. Setting this page only will not change other pages. Another easy way to change the position and rotation is the Shift plus arrow and Control arrow keys. Screen layouts allow you to make your output standardized and save you the considerable trouble of setting up multi-plot layouts for every design. It is possible to copy and paste portions of the multi-plot from one layout to another. It is very useful for reusing the title blocks and legends. Remove the title block rectangles by selecting them and pressing the Delete key. Save the current layout. Retrieve an existing screen layout for sections. Click and drag the lower right corner to select the title block. Press Ctrl-C to copy the selected items to the clipboard. Retrieve the previous screen layout. Press Ctrl-V to paste the title block onto the page. Move the title block into place. Right-click and resave the modified screen layout. Next, we add a new legend subview. Selecting items using the Shift key. Delete the selected items. Change a description. Change the number of columns. Resize and move the legend into place on the sheet. Resave the layout. Add a new curve table subview. In the curve table options, choose the points for reporting and the items. Place the curve table on the output sheet. Save the layout.